Today we're talking about the rest of the tabs over on the right in the Compile screen in Scrivener 3 for Windows. This is just in general terms. Some specifics will be covered when we talk about specific types of documents in the future. The Metadata tab is where you put information about your document, such as author name and title. If you remember the placeholders in things like the front matter and headers, or in some other sections if you're using a specialist template, some of that information is taken from this page. So it's important that you fill out at least the top section here, whatever type of document you're creating. The Options tab will have different purposes and options depending on what kind of output document you're creating. As you can see, it allows you to change how elements in your manuscript appear on output and is different for paperback formats and ebook formats. Let's go back to paper for a moment. The AB to AC icon is where you can have text change on creation of the output document. Most people probably won't ever need to use this, but it is a part of some of the specialist templates, such as this one, the APA format, where it replaces a school name placeholder with the actual name. Now let's look at those extra sections on the ebook format. First, you have the front cover. I would recommend always setting this to no cover unless you have actually put one into the document yourself with the intention of using it. EPUBs don't use them, and retailers creating Mobi files such as Amazon import them from your uploaded cover file. The final section determines whether or not you want an auto-generated table of contents included, which in most cases you probably will. Plus there are a couple of formatting options that you may prefer. Next time we'll be creating a basic Microsoft Word compile for a novel format in Scrivener 3 for Windows, although this will be relevant also for non-fiction.